Hello, my name is Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. This will be a virtual walkthrough. Since you can't be with me, I'm going to walk you through it like you're here. So let's get started. The address, this is in Plain Township, Shrine Village, very desirable area, very convenient to everything. It's 3900 22nd Street Northwest, conveniently located to all shopping, drugstores, church, synagogue. It's really nice. So let me show you what it looks like. So here's the view out the front door. Nice little brick ranches all around. So this is what's called Shrine Village. So when you come in the front door, you have a nice sized living room, as you can see, gray in tone, hardwood floors. The fireplace is a wood burning fireplace. It doesn't look like it sees that much activity. And then you have really pretty large window. Let's take a peek out there so you can see. Yeah, it's very charming. Now as we head from the living room, you go right into the kitchen dinette. So let's get a view of that for a minute. So as you look, there's your breakfast bar. You have a wraparound. It's basically like a old style, old world wooden breakfast bar. It's pretty neat. This is your dinette. Feels like I'm in Europe. Anyhow, you got a nice patio for little cookouts. Nice level backyard. Access through the garage over here, which is nice. Now let's go back over here. One more peek out to the front and into the living room. So this is the dining area. It's really pretty good size, and that door takes you to the garage, one car attached. Okay, so you got stainless steel appliances here. Backdrop is pretty, it's satin finish. It looks old world, but it's that reproduction material they used back in the 20s. So you have a gas stove, which is nice, right? And then this accent wall, which is whitewashed. It's real brick, and it gives it some really nice charm here. So now let's take a peek over here. The hallway, short hallway, wood floors, and of course you can hit the living room again. Give you another view, different perspective here. So this would be from the back hallway, looking towards the front. Got plenty of storage here. Of course you have your bathroom, cosmetic center with a sink, vinyl floor, tub shower combo. You have two bedrooms. And the first bedroom, the master, you could see, I'm gonna give you a quick little look here. I mean, it's good size, really. It's more in a taupe color. Let's see, that light glares it, see if you can see it better this way. The vinyl windows are crankouts. They're very nice, updated. Got a nice ceiling fan. A little peek in the closet. Not a light in there, so you gotta use your imagination there. Okay, the second bedroom, a little bit smaller. This is your second room now. Let's take a peek here and see what we have. Again, vinyl replacement windows here. Similar closet space, ceiling fan, hardwood floors. Okay, let's head over to the basement. This is really conveniently located. It's like 1,230 square feet roughly. Now going down the basement, there's carpeting on the steps here, as you can see. And part of the basement is finished, and then there's a lot of storage. So let me just give you a quick look at this. So a little bit of paneling, some brick accent. Pocket door. It's not a pocket door, it's a accordion door. So this is the part that could be made into a little cozy room for a teenager, high schooler, or just a little game room. So like here you could put a pool table, ping pong table. This basically is all glass block windows. Obviously more storage, plenty of storage down here. And then in the utility side, you have grandma and grandpa toilet, sink, and a traditional shower. You gotta love that. And how about this? You ever see a closed chute this big? Double sink. You have a water softener, although you have city water and sewer, but it's nice to have one. Washer and dryer set up here. 100 amp breaker box, which is good. Looks like a newer water heater here. You have central air conditioning, forced air gas furnace. Take a quick peek at that. It's high efficient. That's what those white pipes are. And if you look, if you know brands, Carrier is a good brand. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed my virtual walkthrough. If you'd like to see it, reach out to me anytime at 330-418-1535 or go to DominicFonte.com. Thank you.